Honestly, the open concept layout is a total vibe. Welcome to Maggie Lynn's open house at Penthouse 901. The open concept layout is a total game changer. It's spacious, airy, and filled with natural light from those floor-to-ceiling windows. You can flow from the kitchen to the living area to the terrace without missing a beat. It's the kind of space that makes hosting feel effortless and everyday life feel elevated. This isn't your average condo. This penthouse was custom built from a blank shell. We're serving luxury on every floor, but wait till you see the rest. It's designed for real entertaining. 3 outdoor levels, a chef's kitchen, and a space that feels more like a home than a condo. Where every detail is considered, not overstated. You've got over 3,400 square feet of luxury, direct elevator access, 10-foot ceilings, and wraparound windows with absolute killer views. A home that feels like it was made just for you. Even the outdoor space, it just makes the place feel huge.